Today, let's check out 3 simple but very haunting and beautiful piano riffs, all based on minor chords. Let's get started. Hi there, I'm Kylie and we love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire students to learn the love of music here in our music studios. Please subscribe if you're enjoying the content, as this will really help me out. For our minor sounds today, let's start really simply by holding 4 chords in our left hand. Let's start with our main chord as A minor. A, skip up, step down to create a 7 chord on G, then a chord 4 being D minor, and up to chord 6 making an F chord. Next, let's add some right hand ideas to create some haunting melodies. We can repeat some notes and then step down and play it 4 times over the left hand changes. 1, 2, here we go. Open up to the octave E's now and we can run down our fingers. Let's play E, 4, 3, 2, and 1 on the low E. And let's play together with the 4 left hand changes underneath. 1, 2, here we go. Before we do a full run, let's add one more idea of a minor melody. Starting with your thumb on the low E, let's go up to 2, 3, and 4. And then back down to 3, 2, and E again. 1, 2, here we go. Let's put our 3 ideas together now, and don't forget to experiment with adding your own patterns over the top. 1, 2, here we go. Thanks so much for joining me today. I'll leave you with this quote. Improvisation encourages creativity. It's the way to develop and differentiate yourself from others. Think about phenomenal artists such as Leonard Cohen, Prince, and the Beatles. Each of them has a distinctive style and a unique voice, and that's exactly why we love them. So have fun with it, and may you be brave and create some of your own ideas too. Enjoy!